What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Indie. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of electric luxury with the Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. This isn't your average family haulier. It's a statement piece that combines cutting-edge technology, heart-pounding performance, and spacious comfort, all wrapped in a sustainable package. So, buckle up as we explore what makes the EQS SUV tick. The first thing that grabs you about the EQS SUV is its presence. It has a bold stance, but the smooth curves and sculpted lines create a sense of aerodynamic elegance. Think of a dolphin gliding effortlessly through the water. That's the kind of efficiency the design whispers. Step inside and the feeling of luxury intensifies. Mercedes has replaced the traditional dashboard with the optional Hyperscreen, a massive curved display that stretches across almost the entire width of the car. It's like having your own personal movie theater, but it also integrates climate control, navigation, and a whole suite of entertainment options. And for those who prefer a more traditional approach, there are still physical buttons for essential functions. It's a beautiful blend of futuristic design and user-friendly functionality. Let's talk about the muscle behind this beauty. The EQS SUV comes in two flavors, the EQS 450 Plus and the EQS 580. The 450 Plus boasts a single electric motor on the rear axle, pumping out 335 horsepower. That's enough to propel you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 6.2 seconds. But if you crave instant acceleration, the EQS 580 is your pick. With dual motors, one on each axle, it unleashes a whopping 536 horsepower and 633 lb-ft of torque. That translates to a thrilling 4.5 second 0 to 60 time, putting some serious sports cars to shame. And all this power comes with the benefit of instant torque delivery, giving you a smooth and exhilarating driving experience. Range anxiety? Not a concern here. The EQS SUV boasts an estimated range of over 300 miles on a single charge, depending on the model you choose. That's enough for most daily commutes and even weekend getaways without having to worry about constantly finding a charging station. Speaking of charging, the EQS is compatible with DC fast chargers, allowing you to add juice from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. Perfect for a quick top-up during a road trip. Now, let's get into what truly sets the EQS SUV apart from the competition. First up, it's a family-friendly electric SUV. Unlike many in the segment, the EQS offers optional third-row seating, making it a perfect choice for those who need extra space for passengers or cargo. Second, safety is paramount. The EQS is packed with Mercedes' latest driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and even a system that can help you stay centered in your lane. It's like having an extra pair of eyes on the road, keeping you and your loved ones safe. The EQS SUV isn't for everyone. It's for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Drivers who crave a luxurious driving experience with cutting-edge technology, all while making a responsible choice for the environment, will find a perfect partner in the EQS SUV. The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV is more than just a car, it's a statement about the future of luxury transportation. It's a powerful, spacious, and technologically advanced vehicle that doesn't compromise on style or sustainability. If you're looking for an electric SUV that redefines expectations, then the EQS SUV deserves a serious look. For more details and stunning visuals, head over to the official Mercedes-Benz website. Let us know in the comments below what excites you most about the EQS SUV. And, as always, thanks for watching.